Hello students, welcome to Exergic Aptitude channel. There are 6 months left for the GATE 2022 examination. The exam is scheduled to be held sometime in February 2022 and we are in August. So we have around 6 months in hand for preparing for the GATE 2022 exam. For those of you who are aware of this examination, would already be knowing that general aptitude forms an important part of the GATE syllabus. You have 10 questions totaling to 15 marks allocated for the general aptitude section. Now there are some students who have left the general aptitude section for the end. They feel that they will cover it once they are done with their technical subjects. There are some students who have started the general aptitude section and need some kind of a push or some kind of a guidance in the right direction so that they can carry on with their preparation. And in this video, I'll be talking about 3 important points that you must keep in mind now that there are 6 months left for the examination, so that whatever time is left in our hands, we can utilize it in the proper manner and our preparation is foolproof, our preparation is wholesome. So these are some common questions that students keep asking: how to prepare for the general aptitude section, how many hours should be given per day, how to manage it with our technical subjects, and so on and so forth. And I hope at the end of this video I would have answered some of these questions and students would have got an idea as to how to go about their preparation of the general aptitude section for the GATE exam now that there are 6 months in hand. So let's start. So the first and most important question that you need to ask yourself is, if you have not started the general aptitude preparation till now, then when are you planning to do it? As I said, there are a good number of students who leave the general aptitude section till the end. They think that they will be able to cover the entire syllabus 1 month or 2 months before the actual examination. Now this strategy holds true for some students who are already comfortable with the general aptitude section. So there are some students who are already comfortable with the level of English and maths questions that are asked in the GATE exam. So for them, this is a good strategy to prepare 1 or 2 months before the examination when they are appearing for tests and they're giving the mock tests and so on. But for the rest of us who need to treat general aptitude as a subject of its own, this is not a good strategy. Because 1 to 2 months before the exam, we have to revise all the technical subjects that we have prepared all year long. We have to sit for mock tests, we have to sit for test series, and in that, if we think that we will be able to finish off the entire syllabus of quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, as well as verbal ability, then we are highly mistaken. So what should you do instead? You should start now. So that is the first thing that you need to do. You need to realize that the general aptitude section needs to be done. You should not neglect it. You should not feel that I will do it in the end, and you should not feel that I will not do it and I'll just go to the exam and I will be able to solve the questions, because that might lead to a number of silly mistakes, which in turn will bring down your rank, will bring down your score, right? So the first step for you right now, right here, is to realize that the general aptitude section needs to be done. It's something that you have to prepare. It's something that you have to consciously allocate time for and acknowledge the importance of general aptitude in your GATE preparation. Now the second thing for you to realize is that it's easy, that it is doable. Some of us might think that, since I did not start my general aptitude preparation earlier, it's too late for me to start now. But that is not true. 6 months is a good time, good enough time for you to prepare for the entire general aptitude section, given the kind of level, given the level of questions that is asked in GATE. 6 months is a decent amount of time. So if you start now, you have sufficient time in hand to finish the syllabus till the GATE examination, because GATE asks very basic school level English and maths. So it's not very difficult. It's not like you have to mug up some important theorem or you have to mug up some complex equations and theorems and formulae. It doesn't work like that. So 6 months is a good enough time for you. So these are the 3 things that you need to realize. Firstly, that the general aptitude section needs to be done. You cannot ignore it. Do not ignore it. Second, that it is doable, it is easy, it's not that challenging or it's not that daunting as it may seem to some students. And lastly, do it. Prepare for the general aptitude section. So how do we prepare for the general aptitude section? Just like we prepare for any other examination or any other subject, we need to set a target for ourselves. That means we need to set a study plan, we need to make a schedule and follow it through. So you could make a daily plan, you could make a weekly plan, you could make a monthly plan. It totally depends upon you and how you have made the plan for your technical subjects. But it is important for you to allocate time for the general aptitude section in the same way. So you could set aside a certain number of hours per day or per week or per month and make sure that you finish certain number of topics in that stipulated time. So many a time students keep asking me how many hours should I put in per day and so on. Now I can tell you that you need to set aside say 3 hours per day. But if in that 3 hours you have managed to only solve one question or you have managed to waste that time scrolling through your phone, then it's not effective, is it? So how do we ensure that the time that we have set aside per day or per week, in that time we are actually accomplishing something? We need to set a topic wise target for ourselves. So what that means is, instead of saying that I will be giving 2 hours per day, I should think about what is the topic that I am supposed to complete in those 2 hours. So topic wise allocation of your time is going to be more useful as compared to an hour wise allocation of time. So instead of saying that I will be preparing for 2 hours, I'll be giving 2 hours to general aptitude today, think about what are the topics that you would have completed at the end of those 2 hours. Also, now that you have 6 months left for the examination, you need to prioritize the topics as well. So just open the syllabus of your general aptitude, skim through the topics. You will understand that there are some topics that you're already comfortable with and there are some which require more effort from your side. So you need to make that decision for yourself. So for example, say percentages could be something that you're already comfortable with. So you give 2 hours to percentages. But probability is something that you need to work on. You have forgotten, you need to cover your basics. So you are allocating a good number of hours, 6 hours or 5 hours to probability. So this is an example of an allocation and you need to do that for yourself. You need to prioritize the topics depending upon the preparation level at your end and depending upon the importance of the topic in the examination. Like how frequently is this topic asked in the GATE examination, right? So you need to make a study plan for yourself wherein you do a topic wise allocation of the time available with you, and you need to prioritize the topics as well depending upon what is easy for you and what is not easy for you. So now that we have made a study plan, the next important point is to follow it through. By following it through, I mean practice as many questions as you can. Practice makes us perfect is something that we have learned since childhood, and that has all the more importance in the general aptitude section for GATE examination. You need to practice as many questions as you can. What kind of questions? Exam level questions. If you are a student of our numerical ability course, then you would know already that even in the course itself, I have made sure that we have a 30-70 kind of a distribution between the theory and the practice questions. So there is lesser emphasis on the theory section and more emphasis on practicing numericals. Various different levels of questions are covered, right from very basic to very advanced. And that is how your approach should be for the general aptitude section as well. So if you have 1 hour in hand, you spend 15 minutes in understanding the relations that are there, the properties that we need to find out, and the remaining 45 minutes on solving questions. So this is very important. You need to practice more questions as compared to the time that you spend on the theory portion of any particular topic. And again, what kind of questions? Good quality exam level questions. So what's a good source for that? The previous year question papers, are your holy grail for understanding the level of questions as well as for understanding the type of topics that are asked. So you definitely have to go through your previous year question papers to get a good idea of what is the level of questions that you must solve. Even in our Exergic Aptitude Facebook group, every day we post a question which is a good quality gate level question from different topics. So some days a verbal ability question, some days a quantitative aptitude question, and so on and so forth. You should join that group. I think around 100 to 110 questions have been posted in that group, and try to attempt those questions. They are all handpicked by me and they are all of the GATE examination level. So what are the 3 things that we learned in this video? Firstly, you need to realize the importance of the GA section for your GATE preparation. You need to realize that it's time for you to start preparing, that it is doable and you have to do it. Second, how do you do it? You said make a study plan for yourself and you follow it through. So set a topic-wise target for yourself and prioritize the topics that are there for the examination depending upon your level of preparation and depending upon how frequently is that topic asked in the examination. And lastly, you need to understand the importance of solving questions. You need to practice as many questions as you can. What kind of questions? Good quality exam level questions. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have not started preparing for the general aptitude section till now, then you will start preparing from today itself. As I said, there are 6 months left for the exam, and 6 months sounds more than it actually is. So the exam is in February and we are already in August. So start preparing today. If you have any doubts or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them as much as I can. If you want any details about the numerical ability course that we offer at Exergic, you can visit the website. Link is in the description box, or you could call us at the number that is mentioned below. You could also send us a WhatsApp message there. The link for our Exergic Aptitude Facebook group is also in the description box. You can go and join that group and you can solve questions that are posted there. It's a good repository of GATE level questions for you to practice from every day. Thank you so much for watching. All the very best for your exams.